What's going on, guys? So in this video, we're going to be talking about upsells. What is an upsell? An upsell is when we are already at a job site and we have the opportunity to get more business. What kind of things are we talking about? For example, if we're at a property to clean a driveway and we notice that there is rust, for example, rust is a specialty stain in this industry. And what that means is that not everybody can get it out and not everybody knows how to do it, homeowners in general. And so what that means is that we as professional cleaners have the opportunity to upsell the customer on not just cleaning your driveway, let me get rid of the rust on it too. So make this concrete look beautiful again. The way that we can use that is through the use of different acid products. Good rust remover is going to be something like F9 bark. You can use oxalic acid in concentrated form, and you can buy that off of Amazon. It's pretty cheap. Buy 2-pound bags, 5-pound pails. You can buy 40-pound buckets. And so what we're going to be talking about is upsells. So just recently, actually, we were at a customer's house and we were going to take care of gutter cleaning and a house wash. It is a repeat customer that we had. And so he called back this year saying, hey, the construction around my house is all finished up. So I'm looking to go ahead and get everything cleaned. Can you send me a bid for what it's going to cost to wash the house and clean my gutters out? Because I got a lot of trees in the backyard. I said, absolutely. We get out to the property. Everything goes well. Customer knows that we're here to go ahead and take care of the gutters and the house wash. While we were there, the customer came outside. Just like always, we were walking around the house with the customer before we even start a machine or any, just going through any special spots they want us to focus on. This type of customer service is like few and far between. Not very many people are going to get to a house, knock on the door. Hi, it's Gabriel. Nice to see you again. Do you have a quick second to do a quick walk around with me before we get started? Sure. And then while you're walking around, do a little catching up. Talk about everything but cleaning. How's the dog? I see you guys have a dog. What kind of dog is it? Do you have any kids? Find common ground with that customer if they're not a repeat customer. And then as you're doing that, once you get to the end of the walkthrough with that customer, you're going to be pointing out things that you saw, things that can get taken care of today. In this situation, they were having some people over that weekend and they just wanted everything looking nice again after that construction around their house. So I had counted the windows and I counted 30 some odd windows. I told them, hey, listen, while we're here, do you want me to go ahead and clean up those windows? I saw the windows in the back had some hard water spots, probably because you maybe have an irrigation system and it's hitting the windows. That's hard water and it's causing those spots. I know you're having people over. Now that we're here, we can take care of the windows and leave them shining and beautiful if they were brand new. 30 some odd windows off the top of my head is probably going to be about $350. He said, yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So not only there did I get more for my time, I'm already washing the windows when I do a house wash. I'm using a water-fed pure water system to clean the windows. And it's literally going to take me all of 30 minutes to clean 30 something windows. Very simple, very easy. Very good way to add a little bit of money every time you're at a property. So if we were there for the house wash and the gutter cleaning, and now we added window cleaning on top of that, I can let you know right now, and I'll include a document at the end of this video where you'll be able to see exactly how much this customer spent with us and what the difference would have been without this upsell. So let me get into my system here. I will let you guys know exactly what this ticket ended up coming out to. Here we go. So we did the gutter cleaning, we did the window cleaning, and the house wash. House wash was $770. The gutter cleaning was $399, and the window cleaning was $350. So if you do the math right here, guys, this was an average of probably about, let's see, 350, 400, that's 750 plus 770. So this customer spent close to $1,500 rather than just spending $1,000. Another $500 almost that we increased our time. And we were there for maybe 2.5 hours. We did the whole house wash. We did the gutter cleaning, and then we did the windows. Started with the gutter cleaning and worked our way down. That was super simple. Get on the roof, blow out the gutters, flush them out. They're going to get flushed out when we do the house wash anyway. So this is perfect. We did the house wash next. And then we finished it off by doing the windows, removing those hard water spots. We're good to go. I can include an invoice copy of this invoice. We also did for this customer some landscape lighting. It's another one of the services that we've added on this year that seems to be very profitable is landscape lighting. So we ended up adding some paved flagstone walkway and some in-ground well lights, as well as some bistro overhead lights for a fire pit, as well as a outdoor patio. Put that all up to a transformer with Wi-Fi access on an application on his phone. And so this ticket price for a total of 3 days work ended up being $4,515.83. It costs us probably $800 in materials between the lights, the wires, the SH, and the resin or filters for the window cleaning unit. So $800 to make almost 5,000 in 3 days. It was super simple. And we got paid as soon as we finished the house wash right away, the gutter cleaning right away, the window cleaning right away. And then 2 days later, as we finished the landscape lighting, we got another big payout. Nothing crazy, guys. When we're talking, trying to make your business more profitable, when we're talking how to apply your skills and how to make sure that you become that trusted individual for your customers to be able to go to every single time for every single thing they need. Even if you don't do it, you can recommend them to somebody, and that person probably will pay you a referral. $50 is $50 and you don't have to show up. That's good money. Upsells, upsells. If you're at a house doing a house wash, offer the windows, offer the driveway, offer the deck, offer the outdoor patio furniture. Shoot, you're going to have to probably move it anyway. And if you're not moving it, you probably should. And if you're already moving it, you could probably clean it for them. At a rate of $20 a piece of furniture, you're probably looking at a cool couple of $100 more. And it's no more work than what you would have had to do, because you would have had to move that furniture anyway. Get creative. Get creative, guys. Gutter cleaning is a very simple way to upsell a customer. Getting on a roof, if you're not scared of heights, is good. Get a ladder, good stabilizer. Get yourself some cougar paws. Blow out those gutters. If you're scared of heights, you could probably lean the ladder up against the gutters. And if you have a high pressure hose with a DN10 or a ball valve at the end, you could literally flush them out that way. You don't have to get on a roof. I've done it before, and clean out those gutters and flush them out at the same time. So window cleaning, that's another one, especially if we're doing these cookie cutter houses. They don't have more than 12, 20 windows, and it's a 1-story house. Get in there and get it. Honestly, a microfiber cloth and Windex can clean windows. You can get a squeegee with Windex and a microfiber and scrub the glass and then squeegee it down after you do a house wash. That's good money. And these are easy, simple ways to be able to increase your ticket price by adding different services while you're on the job. Also have a minimum. You need to have a minimum price for what it's going to cost you to get out there and do the job. Then you can work up from there. That's when the upsells come into play, because you're already going to make money while you're there. Let's see if we can add a little bit more money by doing the windows, or by doing the concrete, or by doing the rust removal, or by doing the gutters. Those are the simplest way to raise your average ticket. And so combine the upsells with the packages we're going to speak about next, and you have a recipe for success. This is combined the call script that we gave you in earlier episodes, this upsells, and then you combine that with the next video that's going to be talking about how to structure packages. You will go from doing $1,000 to $3,000 a week to doing $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month, like that. And that's how we grew. That is exactly how we grew. We were able to buy cash, new vehicles to build rigs, upgrade all kinds of equipment. I've acquired window cleaning company and another pressure washing company in my only 3 years of being in business. I've bought out 2 companies, and that's the good way to do it, is wheel and deal, get out there, network, do your upsells, follow your call scripts, and keep consistent, because over time, you're going to look back and see where you started and where you're at now, and you're going to be mind blown, guys. So let's help you get there. My name is Gabriel. See you next.